All right.
Hello.
For those who are still here, I am joined I still don't know what to call this carton of popcorn, box of
A
popcorn,
bowl of popcorn? I don't
bowl of
know.
popcorn. All right. Well, I'm just going to pull up my slides as well. Let me get this going. Okay, so this is the conclusion of session 6. Thanks to everyone for coming to this. And what we're about to do is actually launch puzzle 6. So I believe I got it right this time. Kobi, do you want to tell us a little bit about this upcoming puzzle?
So the puzzle is called Soundness of Music. It was created by the Anoma people. Specifically, it was Joe that worked on it. And this puzzle is really cool because it's actually an exploit that existed in the wild for a while. A very high value exploit. So I hope that you'll have fun recreating that bug. I don't think you can exploit it for real value anymore, but you you might have if you were having some bad intentions. So the kind of short description that we have is that extra is not always better. It can sound bad. So yes, a lot of bad puns, but it's going to be fun. Um, I can give some usual guidelines. As you know, we're going to give a few hints during the week. So it's going to be on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. And as usual, do not share a public repository. Instead, follow the normal procedure to share a private repository with us so that the solutions will not be public ahead of time. And then finally, the puzzle is going to end on Monday night, 11:59:59. So you got almost a week to solve it. And that's, I think, more or less what I had to say.
And this coming puzzles prize is sponsored by Geometry. We'll be learning a little bit more about them next week. And so this, as always, it kicks off. There is often a lot of conversation and questions being asked on the Discord server channel specifically focused on the puzzle. So if you're not already there, please head over. I added the link again in the events chat. If you want to just check it out, it's kind of highlighted. Also, we now have the puzzle link in this chat. Is it live, Kobi? Can they start?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, well, sorry. It's going to take a minute.
Okay, maybe it takes a minute. But anyway, that is where the puzzle is. To anyone who maybe has not done this before, who has not done one of these puzzles, this is the puzzle hacking that we talked about at the beginning of this session. This is happening every week. You can also check out previous puzzles that have already been solved. If you go on the ZK Hack website, you can actually click around and see all of the previous ones. We have a solution page, and those solution pages are 10. There we go. Tanya just shared that. Those tend to be from those are actually prepared by the participants. So those were written by people who actually found the bug and exploited it and then gave a solution.
Public.
The puzzle is now public. Is that what you just said?
Yep.
Woo! Okay, go, go, go. All right, and see you next week for the ZK Hack number 7. This is the MENA session. Please sign up if you haven't already. If you sign up on Hopin, you get kind of automatic reminders, which is really great to get you here. And I think that basically brings us to the end of this. I did want to do one quick thing, which was I wanted to sort of show anyone who's still here how gather.town works, just because we're going to be meeting there on Thursday for the ZK hack party. So let me just see if I can do this. I think it's going to be really weird because I'm sharing a double video thing. Okay, this is Gather. This is what it looks like. So you basically, this is my little avatar. you basically get to walk around a virtual space with a video on, and you can go up to people and meet them and get to know them. You can also meet teams who are hiring. This is also a job fair. But if you come up here, this, by the way, is the puzzle picnic area. And so we're going to have a lot of the puzzle builders hopefully hanging around. So if you've actually participated before and done a puzzle, this would be a great time and place to meet other puzzle hackers and the builders. So yeah, I hope to see you there. And I also will very soon, we will very shortly be publishing the Gitcoin announcement blog on the Zero Knowledge Validator site. So if you do, again, if you are a small project looking for early funding, please check that out. And I think that ends the ZK Hack session 6. Thanks to everybody. Yay! Okay. Bye, guys. See you next week.
Fun. Bye.
Ciao.